My dear friend, if you are a YouTuber, then this video is for you because I am going to show you here how you can make an awesome thumbnail. So your YouTube video will be a viral video, not only YouTube video, Facebook videos also. Then watch this video. And I will make a thumbnail for this Trump 2020 video, Trump 2020 election campaign. And for this title, Trump 2020 5 jobs Donald Trump to do. This title needs a Donald Trump thinking. Donald Trump is thinking something for his election. And we will set an American flag here. And we will write Trump 2020 here. And here we will write top 5 OS. And that will make an awesome thumbnail. Very simple but awesome. That will make your video viral and push it to more and more locations. What you have to do? Take the Trump picture from your hard drive. Just I do here from my computer. And from your computer hard drive and select the Donald Trump picture. Donald Trump is thinking, the picture I showed you before, and take that. You see, this is the Filmora video editor, and just you see, and that make and turn that and do accordingly what I do, make that bigger. And we do not need this black. Now we do not need these black parts. What you have to do? Just select that here, adjust the motion, click motion, and select this, only this, zoom. Okay, double click and play. The more bigger picture, this will be more advantage to take a good screenshot of the thumbnail when that will be prepared. You understand? Now text. This is the most important. Very easy but most important. Select anyone. Lot of there and select anyone. And now drag that there under the picture and click play. Do how I am doing. Do accordingly. Okay. This is the Filmora video interface. Very easy and very useful. Okay. Now double click the text. Click advanced here. And you will get into the text options. Very important and very useful. You see lot of text options in the below. Play that to make that picture bigger as I showed before, and then stop. Now you see the text design. We do not need like that. We need something else. So click them and delete. Press the delete from your keyboard. Simply click and delete. Okay, and then you see these are being deleted, and we will select text from here. So we can write Trump 2020, or we can write top 5 OS, top 4 OS, whatever you want. And we do not need this text format that was showing before. So we will select our favorite format. You can practice which one is your favorite format. Like this is my favorite format of text. So select from the menu bar of text and write simply Trump 2020. Isn't that easy? Very easy. Trump 2020, put it there. You see Donald Trump is thinking and the Trump 2020 is written over his head. So this is a very suitable thumbnail. And we will drop the American flag and we will write another thing, top 5 OS. Now select the picture from there and select American flag. Click, double click. Simply double click and that will be there. Double click. You can resize later, whatever size you want. Like I will size my American flag here and put it there. You see, this looks more beautiful. Donald Trump is thinking and an American flag over his head. So this is more useful. Just put it more smaller, and I think this is better. Now new text, then you have to write top 5 ways. Just whatever you want you will write in your thumbnails. Just do accordingly how I show. Then you will learn easily how to make better thumbnail, and that will make your YouTube video viral. The more good thumbnail, the more views, so you will get more watch times. Now you can change the colors from the menu showing just I showed in the video, and drag them closer, make them closer. Top, you see, change the color. Use border. This is very important, because whenever people see in YouTube your thumbnail, if your text are surrounded by good border, black border line, and so your video will be, people will think that your video is so standard, so special, so different from others, and they will click your thumbnail. If they click your thumbnail, you will get more views and your video will be viral. Now the most important is the text color, so people will click on your video, on your thumbnail on the first side, and the text border. Now in the border part of the text, in the black background like this, you have to make the black border or same border. I will show you later why I am saying that. That will be very useful. First select the border color, then you have to select the text to make the border size more bigger from here. Okay friend, if you do not understand anything, just ask me in the comment below, and I will show you and I will suggest you what to do in that case. Very small things, probably you will not understand something, just ask me, don't hesitate. You see how the text is now very attractive, and people will click on your thumbnail. People will definitely click on your thumbnail. Press OK. Your work is almost done. Now make that full screen and play accordingly. Make that full screen. Okay, make that Donald Trump picture and take a screenshot or snapshot, whatever you say, from your desktop. And remember, Filmora video editor runs only in desktop, not in mobile or not in Android. You will get Filmora Go in the Android, but in the desktop you will see the Filmora video editor, the PC version. Now take this screenshot and put this into your photo view editor of your desktop or PC. Then save that in JPG format. Write thumbnail and JPG format. Your Filmora work is done. Now watch your thumbnail first. This is ready in JPG format. Double click that and see, this is a very attractive thumbnail. It was so easy to use, so easy to make, and that will make more and more views if you go accordingly and make thumbnail like this with your Filmora video editor. Now select the video where you want to put this thumbnail and click Save Changes, change image in the thumbnail changer of YouTube video editor, and select the thumbnail you made moments ago. Double click, simply double click, and that will make your thumbnail. Select, and your work is almost done. And now click Save Changes. My dear friend, please press the bell button if you like my work. If you think that I am good at my work, please click the bell button, bell notification. So whenever I upload a video, you will be get notified about my video. Now you see, my thumbnail is uploaded successfully. And finally our mission is complete. My dear friend, Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell notification. Thank you.